The GoWISE USA air fryer allows you to enjoy your favorite fried snacks and foods without the added calories. If you do not have a huge family and don't need a larger model of air fryer, this little programmable unit is ideal. With a 3.7 quart size, it is capable of cooking enough food to serve a small family easily. In terms of design, it comes with a very stylish and trendy appearance, with a bright selection of colors: chili red, plum, white, and black, which we are reviewing today. The great thing about air frying is it gives you the option of frying, grilling, roasting, or baking your favorite foods, everything from cakes to French fries, whilst still being healthy. The GoWISE USA air fryer uses rapid air circulation technology and cooks food by circulating hot air in all directions, ensuring even and fast cooking. Plus, with a temperature range between 170 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, the fryer lets you cook a range of dishes, from crispy fries to juicy wings, with little to no oil. And all this in less than 30 minutes, which we think is pretty great. It's worth mentioning the fryer comes with a few key safety features. The first of these is that the unit shuts off if the basket is removed, which means that you can remove a basket of fries out and shake it without worrying about getting burned. The unit also shuts off after 30 minutes or if it gets knocked over, which is a nice feature for added peace of mind when cooking. Moving on, the GoWISE GW22639 features a digital display with 8 meal presets, which will allow you to cook everything from chicken to pork to fries without having to figure out what settings to use. Cleaning the GoWISE air fryer is also very easy. Simply remove the drawer and the cooking basket, and either hand wash or place these in the dishwasher, as both are dishwasher safe. When the unit is cool, you can wipe down the inside of it. To conclude, if you are looking for an air fryer which allows you to cook healthier food by air frying, that has digital presets for meal options, and is ready to use out of the box, then the GoWISE USA air fryer will not disappoint you.